What's going on, Bella Gang? Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you ladies how I install this beautiful, gorgeous wig unit ready to go. Pre-cut, pre-style wig unit from Sunber hair. So if you guys like these cute styles and you want to see how I hooked it up, just keep on watching. If you guys are interested in this wig unit, I will be leaving all of their hair information in the description box below. As you guys can see in the video to the left, this hair comes pre-cut, pre-styled, baby hairs included. I've never ever received a wig unit that came with the baby hairs, you guys. So if you are clueless about installing your wig units and you don't have money to go get your hair professionally styled, this is the wig unit for you. Okay, all you literally have to do is take it out the package, wear it, and go. But with me, I just wanted to play around with the wig and, I wanted to try different styles. So that's why I'm styling it. But this hair comes pre-styled, as you guys can see. In the beginning, I just took that wig right out of the package. The baby hairs was a little bit messed up, but I just add some mousse and it's literally ready to go, okay? Under 2 minutes, you have a nice salon ready wig install. Like, that is so crazy. I love how wig units have come a long way, let me tell you. But anyways, let's get into this tutorial, you guys. So this hair is so simple, you guys, so simple. All you have to do is add water and mousse to the hair. This is a loose wave texture. It's 24 inches. This hair came pre-bleached. As you guys can see, I did not add anything to the hairline. It's a natural hairline. I didn't have to cut any baby hairs, as I mentioned before. So this is just the most convenient wig. If you are looking for a wig unit that's affordable, that's affordable, that's ready to wear, you literally don't have to do anything but throw the wig on and add some water and mousse, this is the wig unit for you. If you have a vacation coming up, a girl trip coming up, your man has a secret, I said a secret. Your man has a surprise vacation for you, baby, this is ready to go, okay? Now, this is how the hair looks fully wet. I also went in with my diffuser to see how it would look dry, which you guys are going to see in the next clip. But I prefer the hair, I prefer the wet look. I think it's so freaking cute and sexy. Like, it's something about curly hair, you guys, that I just feel like makes you look 10 times more attractive. Anyways, let's move on to the styling part, you guys. So if you feel like the middle part is a little boring, you might want to try one of these 3 styles that I'm going to demonstrate to you right now. The first style is like a really cute, classy, curly. All you have to do is take 2 strands of the hair in the front and, get you a claw clip and clip the back. Super easy, takes 10 seconds to do. I love this look. It's so classy and sexy and sophisticated. You could definitely wear this. This hair just gives vacation, you guys. I could definitely see myself on vacation in Jamaica with my swimsuit on and my hair like this. The next style is actually my favorite style out of this whole tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved now this cute little curly updo. As you can see, this wig unit, you guys, comes with a drawstring. That drawstring allows me to put my hair in a ponytail. I don't have to worry about the wig falling off. The drawstring allows the wig unit to be super secure on my head, you guys, okay? So if you want to do a high ponytail, go as high as you want. I promise you the wig is not going to fall off your head. I cannot believe this. Back in the day, I used to have to spend $400 for a 360 wig unit, okay, and then spend $350 to get it installed. And I don't have to do that now. Are you kidding me? All I got to do, literally, this wig is so affordable. It's do it yourself. Beginner friendly. Just put the wig on. No glue. I didn't have to glue anything down. Look how secure it is. Look at the front of my hair, you guys. It looks like I spent hours just gluing it down, cutting the lace. I didn't have to do nothing. All you do is take your drawstring and tighten it in the back. You can put the hair up, down. As you guys can see, look how cute this hairstyle is. I was obsessed, you guys. For this hairstyle, it's so easy. It's self-explanatory. All you got to do is take a scrunchie, that's what I call it, or a hair tie. Put your hair up, put a little bun, and then I just finger coil the front, to achieve this look. It's so cute. And the only thing is I forgot to make sure when you put your hair up that the drawstring, you tuck it under the wig so it won't show. But it was so cute, and it was, oh my gosh, like it was not moving. If you are looking for a wig unit that you could put in a ponytail, you could wear it down, half up. This is why I'm demonstrating to you ladies these hairstyles, just to show you how versatile this wig unit is. You can even do a side part, which I'm going to show you right now. Literally just move the hair. You want a side part, just move it to the side, baby. Move it to the side. Look how cute. And all you got to do is fix the baby hairs a little bit. Boom, you got a side part. This wig is like I call it like a 10-in-1. You could do like 10 styles in one. You can put your hair up, down, to the side, high bun, low bun. The sky is the limit, child, okay? And also, quick tip, if you really like the wet look and you want your hair to look wet all day without it being actually wet, fun quick tip, all you got to do is add water, mousse, and hair oil. Did you know that? You just take a little bit of oil and you run it through the hair, and it's going to stay wet. It's wet looking all day. Did you know that? If you didn't, now you know. As you can see, like, I'm just playing around. I'm just showing you guys your options. You could put baby hairs, no baby hairs. As you can see, I put baby hairs, and I was like, let me see how it looks without the baby hairs. I added more water to see how it looks when it's a little bit more wet. Also, I love that this hair looks gorgeous wet, but it also looks really, really good dry. Okay, so if you don't like the wet look, girl, all you gotta do is diffuse it. The natural wave pattern in his hair is so beautiful. And I love the loose curls. It's so nice, you guys. As you can see, like, it's so effortless and easy. So if you're lazy like me and you don't have an hour and a half to install your wig units, okay, this is the wig unit for you. I actually stopped wearing wig units for a very long time because, child, it was way too time consuming. Like, between cutting the lace, gluing it down, having to bleach the knots. You don't have to do that anymore, you guys. This hair comes already pre-bleached, pre-cut, you don't even have to cut baby hairs, okay? Like, they make it so easy for you these days, you guys. Look, I also showed you guys the hair without the baby hairs. But anyways, that completes my tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Look, like, these styles were just so cute, simple, and easy. If you're looking for a fun summer wig, definitely click the link in the description box, you guys, and get you this wig unit. It's the perfect spring summer wig unit, you guys. Not even all year round wig unit. I just love it. I had to just show you guys these styles again because it was amazing. But anyways, until next time, Bella Gang or no gang, I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Sunber, for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful, gorgeous hair. Until next time. Mwah.